So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if someone has reported your Roblox account. If you want to confirm whether your Roblox account has been reported, let me show you how to find out. First, open the Roblox app on your iPhone. Next, tap on More right here. Once you tap on More, scroll all the way down and select Help and Safety. After that, tap on Violations and Appeals. When you open this section, you'll be able to see all of your violations. If someone has reported your account, it will show up right here. As you can see, I don't have any reports or violations on my account. If you want to appeal a violation, report, or even a ban, just tap on Support. This is where you can submit an appeal. Simply enter the required information. Describe your issue here and then tap Continue. Roblox will review it and get back to you with feedback. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.